Hello everyone, if you want to put an end screen on your YouTube videos, that too while uploading from a mobile phone, then this video is for you. In this video I am going to show you how to put an end screen while uploading to YouTube. First of all, you have to open YouTube Studio on the desktop site inside your Chrome browser. After that you have to select any one video on which you want to put the end screen. After that you have to click on the next button at the right bottom. After that, here you will see the option of Add End Screen on the second number, and in front of that you will see the Add End Screen button. You have to click on Add End Screen. When you click on the Add End Screen, you will see many templates. Select any one of your templates and click on the Done. Now click on the top right Save button. So here you can see that the end screen has been added inside our video. Now here you have to click on Save. In this way you can add end screen to your YouTube video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.